Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Babbel to master new languages, complete guide step by step clearly. To start using Babbel to master new languages, the first step is to visit the Babbel website or download the app from your device's app store. Once you have it installed, create an account by providing your email address and choosing a password. After logging in, you'll be prompted to select the language you want to learn. Babbel offers a variety of languages, so take your time to choose the one that interests you the most. Next, set your learning goals by selecting how much time you wish to dedicate to your studies each week. This will help Babbel tailor your lessons to fit your schedule and objectives. Now, explore the different course options available for your chosen language. Babbel's courses are structured around real-life conversation topics, which makes them practical and engaging. Select a course that aligns with your interests, whether it's travel, work, or everyday scenarios. As you begin your first lesson, take note of the interactive elements designed to enhance your learning experience. Babbel incorporates listening, speaking, reading, and writing exercises to ensure a well-rounded approach. Use the voice recognition feature to practice your pronunciation and improve your speaking skills. After finishing a lesson, review the vocabulary and grammar points covered to reinforce your learning. Make it a habit to practice regularly, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Consider taking notes during lessons to help you remember key phrases and concepts. Utilize the review feature to revisit previous lessons and solidify your understanding. As you progress, challenge yourself by increasing the difficulty of your courses. If you find a particular topic difficult, don't hesitate to go back and rework it until you feel confident. Engage with the community by participating in forums or joining study groups, if available. This will create additional opportunities for practice and exposure to the language. Finally, track your progress in the app to stay motivated and see how far you've come. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering a new language with Babbel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.